Now Todd really gets to grapple a little bit with a guy who's got a guard. Luke's got the best guard in the gym. He's got a sick guard. All right, Luke, start stuffing wrist. Start stuffing wrist. Left hand, stuff that wrist. Left hand, stuff that wrist. That's all right, shrimp. That's all right, shrimp. It's all right, you got a shrimp. Get up on that hip. Get up on that hip. Keep working. Get up on that hip. You don't want to be there. Underhook, 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 underhook. Keep working through. Keep working through. Come back to your feet. Back to your feet. Back to your feet. Back to your feet. There you go. Very good. Toto, snap that back down. Snap that back down, Toto. All right, Luke, your offense. Let's go. You're going to take that overhook, you got to use it. Keep working.
Come on, Luke, don't give up.
Use it, use it, use it. Come back to the heel. You're good there. Hold on the head. Attack his head. There you go, attack his head and his wrist. Attack his head and his wrist. Stuff the wrist now. Stuff the wrist. Let's go. There it is. There it is. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Adjust. Adjust. Keep it. Tap.